so I'm here to talk about this wig that I got from Fuss-YWigs.com. If you guys are already seeing the intro, then you saw all of the goodies that came with this unit, and I'm like so hyped, especially about the elastic band, which I did not have to use, by the way. And it also came with combs, so they make sure that, you know, you're going to have a nice secure wig. So the twist about all of that is, to me, in my opinion, I don't need none of that. I did not have to use the elastic band. I didn't have to sew on or sew in any extra combs. Like, the wig is snug, and I do not have it adhered to my head. The only thing that I used was some gel on the baby hairs, and that's just about it. This wig is snug. It's not going anywhere. Do you see this? It's not even moving. All I did was use the adjustable straps. I didn't use the combs that came with it, so I didn't need any of that. And yeah, I actually love this wig. Now, I must say, this is not a review on the hair and the wig. This is more like a first impressions. As you guys know, or you're gonna know now, that I sell a lot of my units. So I really can't update you guys on the wig because I don't have it anymore. I no longer own it. So what I'm going to start doing is, whoever I sold it to, I'm going to check back with them maybe about 2 to 3 weeks, and I'll try my best to update you guys in the description box on how the wig is doing in about 2 to 3 weeks. So if you see in this video now, come back in about 2 to 3 weeks, and hopefully if I do decide to sell it, I can update you guys on how the wig is going. So let's talk about the hair. Now, I have everything on here on this little plastic that the wig came in. So all of the details are here. This is a free parting, which meaning you can part it however way you want. It doesn't come parted. 13 by 6 inch parting space. So that is a lot of space, you guys. Like, it's 13 inches across, and it's 6 inches of parting space going back. So you got a lot of, you know, leg room to, you know, style this wig however you want it. It does come with baby hairs. With the baby hairs, of course, were really long. Sometimes with my curly units, I do keep the baby hairs on, but this one, it was just way too long, so I had to cut them and just customize them the way that I want it. So it's cool that the unit comes with those long baby hairs, because it makes it really easy to customize them on your own. So this wig is 20 inches and it's natural curly hair. Excuse my voice, you guys. If you think that I'm a little off, it's because I am. I'm getting over a cold, and life struggles is just crazy. So just bear with me on these videos that are upcoming, because I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying to get these videos out, trying to get this hair out. These companies, bear with me. I know I've had these wigs for a while, but you know, I got y'all. So the hair is really pretty. I have no complaints. There's no shedding or tangling or anything like that, and it's just super pretty. Like, look at those curls. These curls are popping without any type of I didn't put anything in it. I didn't put any type of product in it whatsoever. All you saw was me spraying it with water, and that was to redefine the curls, because with all of the parting and the combing through that I was doing, I kind of, like, you know, combed out the curls that I wanted. So I just used the water just to redefine those curls, and I absolutely love it. This hair is super pretty. Again, it's 20 inches long, but I think it's a little longer than that. And yeah, I have no complaints. The shipping was about, I would say, 2 to 3 days tops. And yeah, on that note, if you guys like this video, if you like this wig, let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and please turn on your notifications, and, you know, just so you guys can be updated on my videos. I did not go MIA, you guys. It's just whatever is going on with YouTube's algorithm, it's affecting all of us. So a lot of you are not seeing when I post my videos. So just turn on those notifications, do me a favor, and again, like the video. And yeah, we'll talk in the comment section, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.